Alright, this is eBay break number 1, scheduled for 10 o'clock on Wednesday, September 10th. I'll go over the teams real fast because I know there's multiple breaks tonight. Shamrock, you got the Angels and the Rangers. Beantown, you got the Braves, Padres. That's it for this one. Matthew David Collectibles, you got the Reds, Indians, Astros, Twins, Mets, and Mariners. Chad Baseman, you have the Diamondbacks, Orioles, Red Sox, White Sox, the Rockies, Tigers, Dodgers, Rays, and Blue Jays. Go Green Small, you got Athletics, Giants, and Nationals. PLMNSJ, you got the Cardinals. Colette 18, you got the Phillies. DM3, the Yankees. Ace High Door, the Brewers. Indy Blue, you got the Royals, my man. Congratulations, the Royals. Barry Sanders, you got the Marlins. Whitey, you got the Cubs. And J-Wag, you got the Pirates. Let me take somebody that's supposed to be... Oh, there he is right there, Big Poppy. Wait till he gets settled through the ads and we'll get it. Crack his sweat. What's going on, Big Poppy? We just went through the teams. You have the Braves and Padres in break number 1. And that's it. Yep. All right. Here we go, guys. Good luck to you. We do have more boxes after this if anybody's interested. All right, here we go. Box number 1. Good luck, everybody. If there is a multiple player card, we will random it off unless you own more than 50%. That means you have to own 51 or more percent of the card. Oops. Well, slots it. Oh, yeah. All base cards will be shipped in this product. Every card will be shipped. Just in case anybody was wondering. I'm gonna take the base cards off the bottom. And here we go. First up for the New York Yankees, Babe Ruth. Numbered out of 50. 32 out of 50 for Babe Ruth. Boom. Next up, for the Boston Red Sox, Ted Williams. Out of 325, Ted Williams. Yankees were DM3. Boom. Next up for the Texas Rangers, Aaron Beltre. For the Rangers. And for the Chicago White Sox, Chris Sale. Chicago White Sox. And our last base for Seattle Mariners, Robinson Cano for the Mariners. Alright. We have for the Chicago Cubs, who is this? Junior Lake. Junior Lake for the Cubs. Numbered out of 99 on card auto. There's a piece of a little pinstripe in there. Future Phenom. For the Chicago Cubs. Alright. And for the Chicago White Sox, two Chicago's teams. Chris Sale. Number now 36. Chris Sale out of 99 jersey. Oh. Yeah, just a part of the card, big day. Alright, next up. Still looking for a book in here, guys. That's what we're looking for. Alright, for the Kansas City Royals, out of 99, Bo Jackson. Out of 99 for the Royals. For the Colorado Rockies, out of 250, Carlos Gonzalez. Alright, for the New York Mets, Pedro Martinez. Pedro. And for the Phillies, Cliff Lee. Cliff Lee base. And for the Angels, Mike Trout. Mike Trout. Alright, here we go. For the New York Yankees, Wade Boggs. Jersey auto for the New York Yankees. That's a nice hit. It does have. Oh, you're talking about the Trout? Yeah. Wade Boggs. Oh, 75 for the Yankees. Nice hit. DM3. Alright, and for the Reds, Brandon Phillips. That dude. That dude. Out of 27 out of 27. eBay 101. I'm having real bad lag problems tonight, guys. I think it's because of this new site, but I'm not sure. It does say 27, so I'm sorry it won't focus. Alright, that's box one. Nice hit so far. Nice hit so far. There's so many pieces to this box. That dude. That was a pretty cool looking card. So looking for a Icky. So looking for a book. Alright. Here we go. Alright, for the Texas Rangers, Shin Sochow, out of 25. We're doing my best, Shamrock. For the Cardinals, Ozzie Smith out of 325. Ozzie Smith for the Cardinals. Justin Verlander for Detroit. For the Red Sox, Ted Williams again. He has the Angels and the Rangers. And for the Cardinals, Stan Musial. Here we go. For the Athletics, Jonas Cepedus. This is a nice one. All bat. There's a piece of his bat. ALD S10. Number 3 out of 9. 3 out of 9 right there. For the Athletics. That goes to Green Smog. 3 out of 9. And for the Cleveland Indians, Michael Bourne out of 15 for the Cleveland Indians. Michael Bourne, red jersey. Red jersey for Michael Bourne. There we go. All right. Pack number 2. Doing an eBay break right now. We got one coming up after this at 10:30. For the Baltimore Orioles, Adam Jones out of 250. Adam Jones. And for the Rockies, we have Carlos Gonzalez out of 325. For the Pittsburgh Pirates, McCutchen. Andrew McCutchen. For the Reds, Johnny Bench. Johnny Bench for the Reds. And Pedro Alvarez for the Pirates. Alright, speaking of the Indians, how about a little Carlos Santana? Just a little Carlos Santana out of 99. Sure is. Jersey auto out of 99. Carlos Santana. And for the Arizona Diamondbacks, Chris Owens. Chris Owens, CO16. 5 out of 9 for the Chris Owens. 5 out of 9. Congratulations to the Diamondbacks. Chad Bassman. Alright, that's last box. Last box. Oops, did it every time. Alright. For the Cardinals, Yadier Molina. Or Yadier Molina. 250 for the Cardinals. Willie Mays, the Giants, at a 325. For the Atlanta Braves, Greg Maddux. Greg Maddux. For the Colorado Rockies, Carlos Gonzalez. And for the Nationals, Steven Strasburg. Alright, here comes our hit. For the Brewers, Gene Segura. Out of 75. Auto. The Immaculate, it has, I believe, 9 or 10. I can't remember. I'll have to look up for you. For the Brewers, congratulations, Ace Hydor. You got a card coming to you, bro. And for the Kansas City Royals, Billy Butler. Billy Butler for the Royals. Any Blues, man. There you go, my man. Number 32 out of 36. Butler did it, is what it is. Butler did it. We got one better bus. We might get something out of it. Alright. For the Blue Jays, Jose Bautista out of 50. For the Angels, Mike Trout. Mike Trout out of 325. Baltimore Orioles, Kyrie. For the Cardinals, Alan Craig. Alan Craig. The hits are in the back, guys. Just know that. Just know that. For the Rangers, Yu Darvish. Alright. Nice card coming up. For the Cardinals, Matt Carpenter. Matt Carpenter for the Cardinals. On card auto. Let's go on to PLMNSJ. Only team you have. Out of 35. Going to the St. Louis Cardinals. Nice auto. And for the Kansas City Royals, Escobar. Out of 30. Out of 27. Out of 27. Escobar. The Royals. There you go, Indy. You wrapped up on this one, my man. That'll do it for eBay break number 1.